Eating at a restaurant, exploring popular English idioms and phrases with it. Going out to eat at a restaurant is often a special occasion, a time to enjoy good food, company, and sometimes a little adventure in trying new dishes. But did you know that the word "eat" appears in many interesting English idioms and phrases that add flavor to everyday conversation? Let's explore some of these idioms through a story about a typical dining experience. Last weekend, my friend and I decided to eat out a cozy restaurant downtown. As soon as we sat down, I noticed that one of my friends, Sarah, ate like a bird. She barely touched her plate, nibbling on a few bites because she was watching her diet. Meanwhile, Tom was the opposite. After a long hike earlier that day, he ate like a horse, finishing 3 big platters of food. As the evening went off, we joked that the kids of one of our friends caught him out of house and home if they ever visit, since they have enormous appetites. We also laughed about how I once had to eat humble pie when I ordered the wrong dish and had to apologize to the waiter for sending it back. On the point, Tom boasted that he could finish his dessert faster than anyone, but when the competition began, he quickly ate someone that's as I surprised everyone by finishing first. Later, a group talked about how the delicious food made us all want to eat off the chef's hand, admiring the skill and care put into this. During the meal, my friend Mark admitted that he used to say he didn't like this restaurant food, but after tasting it, he had to eat his word. It's really amazing, he confessed with a smile. Of course, the bill was a reminder that dining out can really eat up your budget, especially if you're not careful with your orders. And one friend warned that expansion like this could eat into your saving if you go out too often. As we finished, I encouraged everyone to eat up their remaining food before it got cold. After all, wasting good food is never fun. On our way out, Sarah joked, next time I'll bring my appetite and really show you how to eat like a horse. We all laughed and agreed that eating at a restaurant is just about food. It's about sharing moments, stories, and even some colorful expression. Through this expression, it's clear that the word "it" in English goes beyond its literal meaning. From at humble pie to at your heart. These Indians enrich our language and make conversation more vivid. So next time you eat out, try using some of these phrases. You might just impress your friends with your clever English. Thank you.